By both of their hands. Grab somebody. And we going to heaven for each other. We bombarded heaven for each other. Grab somebody and begin to scream help. Right there. Help is on the way. You ain't seen nothing yet. You thought you had help. You thought the president was help. But you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm sending you some help. I'm sending you some people that's going to help. Help. I'm going to take the people that are here and give them a new mind. Starting this year, I'm going to do better. I'm going to be a help and not a hindrance. Starting this year, help is on the way. And some of it is standing right here, right now. Messing up, but I'm gonna learn how to step back and just say, help. God, I promise, when you help, I'm gonna give you the loudest, craziest, stupid praise.